Hey guys, welcome to the theme park today. I'm here at Universal Studios Florida. I'm picking up my annual pass today. So come along with me to do that because I had to Google some stuff on like where to go and how to find it and what to do. So I'm gonna do it live for you here so that if you're picking up your annual pass, you can actually see what's happening and what you need to do. But you're supposed to get to the ticket booth and then they give you an annual pass. I hope it's that simple. But let's go find out, shall we? Wow! Last time I was here was Halloween Horror Nights, and we were waiting right around here. I kind of miss Halloween Horror Nights, if I'm honest. Okay, there's a sign that says tickets, vouchers, and annual passes. So pretty laid out for us. So it's the very first one. You walk under the arch, and you come, it's right here. So let's get in line. Get an annual pass. I think window 2 is open. I don't know what's happening. I'm just gonna go there and figure it out.
Alright, walk in.
Thank you. Wait, okay, please, that was so easy. So you just go to the window. I had my email pulled up and I zoomed into my code, showed him my code. They took my ID. I guess just like confirmed my information. He wrote my name on the back of my pass. And I have an annual pass. Oh my God, I'm so excited. This is like so strange. All right, well, that's how you pick up an annual pass at Universal Orlando. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and follow us on Instagram at Theme Park Today. Bye, I'm gonna go inside with my annual pass.